Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. And today, we're going to be doing Battle Cats and these event stages. Yeah. So I'll be doing this one in particular. Okay, state of emergency. 3,000 base health. Okay, guards out the car. Put up a fight at all. Well, that's not put up a fight, but not a good one. Let's see. Ooh, that guy looks very scary. Can we beat him? He's utterly useless, guys. He looks scary, but he's utterly useless in battle. See? Barely a scratch on those catalites. Meanwhile, he turns into a giant laser cross thing when he dies. Huh. That's sort of interesting. And no. Hey, energy limit, get out of the way, I'm filming a video. Anyway. Okay, 24,000 health, you say? I actually try to save up for this one. Yeah. Yep, leveling up a bit. I'm probably leveling it up a bit too much. But anyway, yep, cattle. Yeah, just get destroyed, please. I'd very much appreciate it if you would die in Minecraft. Actually, no, this is Battle Cats. Die in Battle Cats. Yep. And this guy is back. Now, more powerful than the last time, I think. Oh, he's still just about utterly useless. He's constantly being knocked back. And we won. Easy. 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 I mustn't run away. Ah, strange. Good, I'm recording. Anyway, that is a strange name. But, I'll do it anyway. Because that's, yeah. Because I was supposed to be doing it for the video. And okay, this guy spawns automatically. Oh, then looks like we'll just go over G-Zite, Catalite G-Zite strategy. It's very effective, like medium attack strategy. So that you want to kill the enemy, but you also want to save up money at the same time. Just like this. You see? And Gus Jesus can be very effective when they want to be. Yeah, I wonder, is this guy classified as a black enemy? Oh no, or is he classified as his own was he classified as a traitless enemy or as an Evangelion thing? Anyway, we'll be doing this one next because that one definitely wasn't long enough for a video. Oh yeah, Tiger, hello. Also, okay, so I've started the voiceover. I'm actually like 2/5 of the way into it. Yeah. I'm on a call with Tiger and he was muted for quite a while. But now he will give you guidance on things. Yep, this is Tiger from. Wow, that is a massive guy. He's also utterly useless in combat though. And easy. Yeah. Hey guys, Tiger's YouTube channel is Tiger DHS. And in it he only uploads Battle Cats videos, but they are of a much higher quality than than my videos. So I'm assuming that you're here for the battle cats if you're watching this video. So you would also very much like Tiger's channel. Like Tiger actually shows you how to beat the stage. I'm just some kid who just plays battle cats. Yep.
Well, I guess I'm also just some kid who plays battle cats, but like.
But you tell people how to do the battle cats. I just do the battle cats.
You know.
And that makes you the superior treasure of doom.
You can be the normal treasure, and Pip can be the one who doesn't make any videos.
Yep. Yeah, Pip. If you've seen the Cat Class series, then you'll probably have seen Pip because it's Cat Class. I was testing out the if the music was any good. It's just the same as the lobby music. Yeah, anyway.
There's actually different music in other stages, but yeah.
Oh well. Anyway, high Orton's energy. Huh.
I haven't watched the anime, so I don't get the references.
Yeah, me neither. Okay. And so, Pip's YouTube channel is Ovals Around. So, if you really enjoy the Battle Cats videos, you might not watch the Battle Cats videos because this is the Cat Craft videos. Yeah, if you think that Pip is a cool guy in Cat Craft, then you might want to subscribe to him. Yeah. But preferably you subscribe to Tiger, because there's actually stuff to watch on his channel.
And subscribe to Luke, if you haven't
already. Just saying, guys, from the video statistics, 50% of the viewers aren't subscribed. So, yeah. Preferably subscribe.
It's better than me. Like, 85% of my viewers are not subscribed.
That's probably you have like more views but a few less subscribers.
Yeah, I'm like 23, you're like 26.
Actually, I got up to 27.
Oh, 27.
Yeah.
Right, I think I only.
One of my friends from Singapore subscribed. Yeah, because guys, we used to live in Singapore, but recently we moved here, and it's much better and definitely much cooler by far.
Yeah, we've got things that do the things. Things.
Yeah. Anyway, I wonder for this stage, is the enemy boss capable of doing anything? Oh no.
Soon we'll be able to one-shot.
No, it was just Teacher Bear that killed Catalyte. Well, we've got a useless main boss, but a very powerful side character.
Yeah, that's
He can kill. I think he can kill one-shot Dark Cat, and he can one-shot Macho Cat, and Gatomigo and Dark Cat. But those they're the side characters, not the ones that are actually supposed to kill the enemy. Just the ones that I deploy for 10% extra powerfulness. And now that's a lot of XP, over 200,000.
Yeah, the XP starting to add up.
Yep.
More XP. You can also get Shinji for this, I think.
Yep. Okay. Oh no. We ran out of energy, but because this is a YouTube video where I can easily spare some leadership, especially because I have over 40 of that. And there we go. I am recording, and the enemy boss is deployed automatically. Ooh, there's Gabriel. Get him, Kazuchizo. he stands not, and he's getting knocked back by the rovers. Yeah, and Black and Angel enemies both stand no chance against Kazuchizo because he does massive damage against both of them.
This guy does big
Ooh, he can kill Castle-lights, but not Kazuchizos. Ooh, this could actually be a challenge. Oh, he has such a large attack radius, attack area.
Yeah.
Okay. And the sloth is also here. Isn't a good sign because sloths
There's nothing to be laughed at either.
Sloths are tanky.
His Tonke
Yeah. Tonke.
is a bit beefy.
Yeah. And is it even worth deploying Carolites? No. Come on, deploy Kazuchizo. Okay. Oh yeah, Robocat has the same. Catalites has. We knocked the enemy boss back right before he was about to attack. So that's good.
Yes, and I think he only has a couple of knockbacks anyway. So
yeah. Okay. Now I just need to repeatedly do this. Bang. Shoot that sloth, Kazuchizo.
Shoot him good.
Yeah. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Shoot it. Shoot the sloth, please. Please.
That is one beefy dude.
And there we go. Here is. Alright, so that's the sloth down and the BCS line art up. Hopefully this should stop him.
Drop him, swap him, and drop him.
Oh, he died without the BCS line hard even making it there. Oh well, I'll take that.
Excellent.
Yep. Will the BCS slide hard do anything at all? Maybe. Oh, do it. Didn't even do anything.
Cat ticket, rare cat ticket.
That's good.
The XP, but that's
okay.
Fine.
So anyway, guys, we'll see you next time. Alright, I never make the recording long enough to finish the outro. Anyway, guys, I'll see you next time. With probably not another Battle Cats video. The next video I upload is probably not gonna be Battle Cats, but more Battle Cats soon. Bye, guys.
Yeah, bye.